Hello everybody and welcome to the kitchen once more. Hope you are doing wonderfully. Today we're going to be doing black pudding Scotch eggs. Not sure if you've had a Scotch egg. I will show you what one looks like in a minute, if there's not already one on the thumbnail. I know some people don't like black pudding, but I love a bit of pig's blood with seasoning. And in other countries I think they call it blood pudding as well. I don't even know why it's got pudding on the end. You don't have it for pudding, do you? You have it for breakfast, and sometimes it's also nice in a sandwich. Anyway, let's hit the jingle. So for this you don't need many ingredients. You need eggs, of course, otherwise it'd just be a Scotch, wouldn't it? The titular black pudding, I've got slices of black pudding. You can get it in like a sausage shape, but it was cheaper to buy these, and I couldn't find sausage meat, so I bought some sausages. I'm going to have to skin them, and also you need some flour and breadcrumbs. We've got a bit of bread getting ready to be crumbed, so let's get mixing. Here it is, look, a bowl that needs no introduction. It's been used many times on this channel, and it says you can use 100% black pudding, but the best results are when you mix sausage meat and black pudding together in a 1-to-1 ratio. So I'm going to weigh the black pudding first, if I can get it open. The black pudding weighs 480 grams. So we've got to just mush it up and put it in here. So I'm just weighing the sausage, 480 grams, and then we've got to slice the skin off. Right. I've never skinned a sausage before. Do they use the intestines still, do you reckon? Right. Oh, that's quite easy. To get the sausage meat, put that in there, and then we got to mix it all up. What does that look like? That's disgusting, isn't it? So here it is, look, all mashed together. In the end I used a potato masher. Works very well because it was sticking to my Danny's too much. So now what we've got to do is we take our eggs and we boil them. You can, if you get it right, you can have it soft in the middle and then it will just ooze out when you cut it, but I'm just going to hard boil. So here they are, look, all nicely and boiled, and with the magic of editing we're going to skin them just by dropping this cloth on, and there they are, look, all naked and afraid. Right, now we've just got to wrap them in the concoction we got here. So actually what I'm going to do, I'm just going to flour up my hands to stop it sticking. And roll it into a ball. Roll it into a ball. Flatten it out a bit. Oh, it's so sticky. Maybe I should use a rolling pin and roll it out a bit more. You don't want it too thick, or you might want it thick, I don't know. Preference, you know, like modern society when you're forced to do things a certain way. And then we've got to try and wrap that around the egg. Hopefully that doesn't reopen when I'm Go, look, like a bloody golf ball. Look at that. That's massive. It's a massive Scotch egg, that is. So, you know, breadcrumbs, there's not as much as I thought it'd be from one slice of bread. I tried to dry the bread out because I didn't have any stale bread, so as long as we get one coated, it should be fine. So first, you take your Scotch egg. Oh, it's already looking lovely. We dip it in a mixture of egg. And then, oh, look at that. We roll it around in the breadcrumbs. And hopefully it all sticks. Let me just pat it on. There, look. Oh. Well, that's coated it quite well. Right. So what you do next is you're supposed to deep fry them, but I haven't got a deep fat fryer, and I don't like big pans of cooking oil. So I'm just melting some butter, and we're gonna try and cook it in that. And we'll rotate it to make sure all the sides are lovely and cooked. Right, so here goes number one. So I think it's done. I've been pushing it down, and so it's kind of turned into a square more than an egg shaped. But look how golden brown it is now. Look at that. Oh, that looks absolutely yummy. Oh, so here they are, look. And this is what a normal Scotch egg looks like. Obviously it's shop bought, these are homemade. Can you tell the difference? So first of all, we're going to cut this one open, and I'll show you what a normal Scotch egg looks like. Oh, look, that's what a normal Scotch egg looks like. You've got the egg surrounded by sausage meat. And now it comes the homemade one. Look at that. Oh, that looks tasty. Let's try it. So here we are. This is a shop bought cheap Scotch egg. You can get ones that range into almost £4, or maybe like if you went to a bespoke farm shop or something, you could probably get ones even more. But very nice, very filling. I usually get Scotch egg at least once a week, but does it compare to my homemade black pudding Scotch egg? Oh, oh, that just melts in the mouth, and you get the crisp outside. Oh, it's delicious. That's a world apart. So there we have it, a black pudding Scotch egg. Try it for yourself, let me know how you get on. It would probably work better with a pan of oil or a deep fat fryer, but I'd probably set the house on fire, because they do take quite a long time to cook in a pan, having to turn it constantly, keeping the heat circulating. But that's all I have got for you lot now. The last adventure is coming up next, and I'll see you all for that very soon. Take care of yourselves, stay safe out there. Cheerio, bye.